Here's a list of the 15 best sites to find work as a freelancer. Upwork. With over 1.5 million clients, Upwork, previously Odesk, offers something for every type of freelancer. TopTal. Elance. Freelancer. Craigslist. Guru. 99 Designs. Peopleper. Whether you're looking for another way to pay the bills, seeking more professional development opportunities, or just love the freedom that on Upwork. With over 1.5 million clients, Upwork, previously Odesk, offers something for every type of freelancer. It accommodates both short and long-term projects, hourly or per project work, and expert-level and entry-level engagements. Regardless of where you are in your career, Upwork is likely to have something for you. 2. TopTal. With a distinctly different approach than the other services on this list, TopTal is for seasoned, talented freelancers. Passing TopTal's screening process gives you unparalleled access to meaningful projects with great clients, JP Morgan, Zendesk, Airbnb, etc., and fair compensation, no low-bid contests. You'll also be able to join the TopTal community for frequent meetups and tech events. 3. Elance. Elance removes a lot of the hassle that comes with freelancing. You'll be able to make a profile right away without jumping through any hoops, enjoy payment protection to ensure you're always paid for the hours you work, and more. Editor's note: Elance has joined Upwork since the published date of this article. 4. Freelancer. Unlike most other platforms, in addition to offering millions of projects, Freelancer allows you to compete with other freelancers in contests to prove your skills. If you're competitive and confident in your expertise, it's a great way to showcase your abilities and attract more clients. 5. Craigslist. Although most people see Craigslist as just a platform for buying and selling miscellaneous things, it's actually a great source of freelance jobs. You can easily browse for local offerings if you prefer something in office, or you can search by major cities if you prefer working remotely. Related: 25 payment tools for small businesses, freelancers, and startups. 6. Guru. This site lets you easily showcase your past work experience and offers a daily job matching feature to make sure you don't miss out on any good opportunities. The Guru Workroom lets you easily manage all your work. 7. 99 Designs. A platform for freelance designers, 99 Designs lets you compete in design contests and get feedback as clients choose the best ones. It's a great way for talented designers to prove their talents. Related: employers are paying freelancers big bucks for these 25 in-demand skills. 8. Peopleper. This is a great platform, focusing on freelancing for web projects. If you're a designer, web developer, SEO specialist, etc., Peopleper is definitely worth checking out. 9. Freelance writing gigs. Whether you're a writer, editor, blogger, publisher, or any combination of those, freelance writing gigs is a great option for freelancers who have a way with words. Related: 8 great time tracking apps for freelancers. 10. Demand Media. Demand Media is a platform for creative types, including writers, filmmakers, producers, photographers, and more. You work with the site to create unique content, engage audiences, and promote your talents. 11. College Recruiter. As the name might suggest, College Recruiter is for college students or recent graduates looking for freelance jobs of any type. In addition to being a source for part-time work, it can be a great way to jumpstart your career. Related: 4 tips on how to make 6 figures as a full-time freelancer. 12. Get a Coder. This site is for freelance writers, web designers, and programmers, exactly what small businesses need to get a website idea off the ground. Get a Coder offers millions of smaller-scale projects to choose from. 13. iFreelance. This platform accommodates some of the usual suspects of the freelancing world: writers, editors, coders, etc., but also features freelance marketers as well. Unlike other sites, iFreelance lets you keep 100% of your earnings. Related, 101 places to find freelance writing jobs. 14. Project for Hire. With hundreds of project categories, Project for Hire makes it easy to identify jobs that suit your skill set, without scanning through large volumes of posts. It's great for coders, consultants, designers and more. 15. Simply Hired. With a wider range than most other freelance platforms offer, Simply Hired is perfect for everyone from salespeople to construction workers. It includes a blog with hiring tips, a company directory and location-based search. Whether you're a programmer, designer, expert, college student or something in between, there's a freelance platform out there for you. Check out the sites above to get started today.